In this episode, the channel compares how many hours a worker must log to buy a Dyson Supersonic hairdryer across different countries. By translating prices into wage hours, the piece reveals sharp gaps between high-wage economies and those with stagnant incomes. A single worker in each country watches the price convert to hours, exposing realities often hidden by headlines. Crisp graphics map the wage-hour spread, while narration ties currency shifts and local jobs to everyday purchasing power. The ending asks what financial freedom means when a grooming tool eats a large monthly wage.